Family members sitting together at the dining table, each with their iPhone and looking into the iPhone and not talking to each other. So this, when you rely more and more on social media, and even more importantly, people are relying on social media for news, that is even more worrisome. So with all these deep fake videos and news coming out, where is truth? How are you going to determine something is true or not?
Since the subject is artificial intelligence, I lost my intelligence, if there is any.
जर हसल्याने मी मानव होत असेल तर ज्याला हसता येतं त्याला मानव म्हणतात आणि जो इतरांना हसवू शकतो त्याला महामानव म्हणतात.
ये कुलपति का काम अपना और हमारा प्यून का काम भी उतना ही महत्वपूर्ण है.
The largest corporations of the world, in our country, all the Reliance and all those big important groups, he's guiding many such corporate leaders in the country. And of course, you all are aware that at our campus, sir, we have established in his name Ram Charan School of Leadership.
If you don't manage the currency, it could have been the old way. And if the currency would have gone to 100 rupees, it will be less than 4 trillion. It will be 3 trillion. You will be treading water. Our people rising, getting freedom.
When I listen, Ram Charan School of Leadership or Management, it's a very historic event for us and for India to accept him.
"9/11 comes and suddenly people realize that religion has such important sway that it can transform the society one way or the other.
Difficulties come not to obstruct but to instruct.
आज हमारी सभ्यता और संस्कृति उनके ऊपर रूल कर रही है, वो इतने प्रभावित हो चुके हैं. ये बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट है.
वारी एक शिकून जाते की वारी तुम्हाला तुमच्या कम्फर्ट झोनमधनं बाहेर काढते. व्हेनेवर यू आर इन युअर कम्फर्ट झोन, यू विल नेवर डू एनी डेव्हलपमेंट, यू विल नेवर डू एनी इनोव्हेशन.
Last message of Buddha is, Hey Ananda, Atmadīpo bhava, be a lamp unto yourself. Carry that lamp to every nook and corner and give peace, joy and strength. Bahujana hitaya, bahujana sukhaya.
मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि crafts and the arts of India are the भारतीयता of भारत. अगर ये crafts नहीं होते, अगर ये कहानियाँ नहीं होती, अगर इस प्रकार का जो है knowledge of proverbs and history and storytelling नहीं होता, तो क्या भारत भारत होता?
दोन-तीन वर्षात या देशातली नव्हे तर जगातली सर्वोत्कृष्ट फिल्म स्कूल हे MITचं दादासाहेब फाळके इंटरनॅशनल फिल्म स्कूल असेल.
विद्यार्थ्यांपासून शिक्षणासाठी, जगण्यासाठी, जीवनासाठी योग असावा आणि तो उद्देश कराड सरांनी इथे पुढे नेला.